What are we making, Adelina?
Greek salad.
Greek salad. Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My wife is at tennis class. My kids are... One is right here, another one is right there. And that means I need to make something really quick. Today we're gonna make a Greek salad. I'll show you exactly how to do step by step as usual. So stick around and let's get started. Alright guys, so ingredients are very simple. So we have mixed greens, we got Kalamata olives. I like this brand a lot. These are actually made in Greek, and also feta, also made in Greek. And of course fresh tomatoes, fresh cucumber, red onion and bell pepper. Alright, let's go. I'm gonna make a chicken right now to add to the salad. One very important thing, if you want to make your chicken taste absolutely delicious, this type of pan, in my opinion, is a must-have. This pan makes it like the chicken will be like pretty much from the grill. I have my marinated chicken right here. We usually prepare for a whole week, and this chicken is absolutely amazing. You can marinate the way you wish. I'm definitely going to include somewhere in the description. While chicken is prepping right now, we have 10-15 minutes, so let's cut some veggies. Okay, now we're gonna make a dressing for the salad. Very simple: olive oil, balsamic vinegar, salt, pepper, and mustard. You can also put some garlic. As you can see, my wife came from tennis class, so everybody happy now because food is almost ready. So this is the color you want to get, right? The color for the dressing. You want to do it? Now we're gonna cut some chicken.
No, Pikachu. Pikachu has weak. No, Pikachu. Pikachu! If you like the video, please subscribe.